Introducing the 2021 Nissan Versa. This sprightly Versa offers a host of features to keep you secure, comfortable, and connected. From impressive standard driver assist tech to an upscale cabin and touchscreen infotainment, this clever compact is ready to take you places. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, remote engine start, satellite radio, fog lamps, keyless start, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls. Get style, efficiency, and the latest safety features in this comfortable and convenient Versa. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.